Ahoy, ahoy. Really need to find my spare back wheel because another spoke on this one is loose, came loose, and I'm sure the mag kept losing tension in my chain because of the back wheel not being solid. I looked for it earlier, but I think it's in the opposite place. I was expecting. So no left, that's what I was looking to say. If you're wondering, it's a no left turn lane. Not everyone. Most people don't do it, but some do occasionally, like them. Depends where they're from, I guess, or if they pay attention. Exciting times. Going to the credit union, the bank, if you will. Got some monies to deposit. Hopefully it's recording. Took a while to get it to turn on, and I'm hoping it is in video mode, not picture mode. Guess we'll see in due time. So hot today. I like the heat, but after yesterday's happenings, I decided to bring all my master links just to have them. This isn't actually my bank, but since it's credit union, you can use it like it is. My credit union is part of their partnership, whatever, so I can do whatever at any, pretty sure it's all credit unions, and use it like it was my actual local branch. We have one, that's why I started my account, but it's so annoying to get to, and it's not even heating there that's annoying. It's the intersection that's right outside the shopping center that the credit union is in. That's the problem. Super sketchy on bike. Well, anything but car, but it can be sketchy in car, but not as bad. Just really long and a weird setup. As well. Wonderful. Hopefully no one's at the ATM. There's only one. Most people usually go inside, but they may have just closed right before I left or on the in between. It was like 5:30ish when I left. Sometime after 5. Alright, we're good. I'll be back after I'm done here. Toodles.